Hi, I am Daksh and today I am taking you along my 4-week challenge to learn Taekwondo. My goals were simple: learn as many kicks as possible, improve flexibility, and incorporate these techniques in my combat sports training. Let's see if I succeeded. Week 1 was all about building a foundation, getting the kicks right, finding my balance, and learning the movements. It looked easy at first, but believe me, it wasn't. The front kick is simple, but getting the mechanics right, knee up, snap, and return, took repetition and focus. The side kick was a real test of my hip flexibility and core strength. It's harder than it looks to keep your balance while generating power. Learning the roundhouse kick felt exciting. It's dynamic and fast. I had to focus on pivoting my supporting foot and aiming with precision. Flexibility was a major focus this week. I worked on stretches daily, aiming for full splits and better range of motion for my kicks. By the end of week 1, I started to feel more confident with the basics. I knew the real challenge was just beginning, but building this foundation was crucial. Week 2 was all about taking things up a notch. Spinning kicks were a challenge, balancing speed, power, and accuracy felt like a dance, but one wrong move and you're off balance. I started with the spinning back kick. It felt awkward at first. Timing the spin while keeping my balance took serious effort. The spinning hook kick, on the other hand, was a nightmare at first. I couldn't figure out the angle or how to keep my foot pointed correctly. But after breaking it down step by step, it finally started to click. Week 2 pushed me outside my comfort zone, but it's also where I felt the biggest improvements. I'm starting to understand now Taekwondo isn't just about kicking hard, it's about precision, control, and making it all flow together. Week 3 was where things got serious. Advanced kicks tested not only my flexibility and technique, but also my creativity and endurance. The tornado kick was the most exciting and the most exhausting. Spinning mid-air while keeping control felt impossible at first, but the rush of landing it clean was worth the effort. This week, flexibility drills became even more intense. Week 3 was a turning point. I realized Taekwondo isn't just about strength, it's about timing, fluidity, and making it all connect seamlessly. These advanced kicks made me appreciate the art even more. The final week was all about trying everything together, refining my technique, pushing my flexibility to the limit, and testing my skills in sparring scenarios. Looking back, it's incredible how much my kicks have improved. From shaky basics to controlled, powerful strikes, the progress felt rewarding. I focused on sparring specific movements this week, learning how to flow between kicks and footwork while staying balanced and agile. Flexibility was one of my biggest goals, and by the end of week 1, I finally hit a major milestone. The daily stretching paid off. 4 weeks ago, I barely knew how to throw a proper kick. Now I have unlocked a whole new level of discipline and technique. I know this is just the beginning, but it's been an incredible ride. So, did I achieve my goals? You tell me. I've learned a ton about Taekwondo and added some flashy kicks into my skills. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe because the quality will only get better. See you in the next one.